Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video from a company called Honcho Wholesale. They actually reached out to me and asked if they could send me a box to review, open on camera, and I said sure. I have never purchased anything from them before. They do sell more than just clothing. I'm pretty sure they're just like a general wholesale company where they sell like pretty much anything. I don't know if I have a coupon code with them. If I do, I'll have that down below as well. But let's just get into it. I got the box in the mail like 5 seconds ago. My kids are outside playing. I'm like, Brady, watch them because I need to make this quick video. So one thing I like about this website is that they have a manifest on the website so you know what you're getting. So I was sent the women's high-end apparel, primarily spring, summer, 25 units. The MSRP is $1,858.49. And then, yeah, so there's a manifest that you can download. So it shows all of the items and it shows their MSRP. So this will be good for listing too, so I don't have to like look up stuff. First thing in the box is from Rachel Roy. This is a size 1X. Retails for $149. And it's a really pretty dress. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's super long. Ooh, pretty. By the way, if you're interested in purchasing anything, it'll be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video goes up. I have so many haul videos and so many videos to edit and just... Okay, next we have something from INC International Concepts. This retails for $79.50. And this is just a long sleeve, like cold shoulder dress. There's a cold shoulder with this like paisley type pattern. Looks like that. This is a size small. Yeah, Tommy Hilfiger, just basic tee, retails for $29.50. It's a size 0X. 0X. I don't know what size that is. What's a 0X? It's definitely bigger. This looks like just a basic V-neck blue tee. Another Rachel Roy dress. Ooh, this is pretty color. Hold on. It's like tangled. There's like a belt. It's tied. This is a size medium. This is cute. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect to wear to like a fall wedding. I know people are still doing weddings, which is, you know, do whatever, but anyway, I know it's a wedding, it's a big deal, you know, it's not like it's a birthday party, it's a wedding. Anyway, this is a really cute frickin' dress. Oh, it's a pantsuit. It's not a dress, it's a pantsuit. Oh, cute. I'll insert a picture because I can't hold it up. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This retails for $149. But something else from Tommy Hilfiger. This is Tommy Hilfiger Sport, size extra large. Retails for, I don't know. Shirt. Giving me like 90s vibes. Right, this, ooh, I like this color. This is from Mason Jewels. I had to look up this brand, but it is sold at Macy's. Yeah, Mason Jewels, size small. I really like this color. This is a really cute top. Looks like that, and then in the back, it looks like that. That's really cute. This would have been really good to get at the beginning of summer. That's cute. Okay, more Rachel Roy. This is a really pretty tank top, size large, retails for $69. Just a really pretty summery floral print and this really pretty fuchsia color. INC, International Concepts. This is a size large. I don't know what it retails for. What are you? Are you a dress? No, this is a pantsuit. Oh, this is kind of cute. Oh, okay, this is kind of cute. We got like the little gold thingamajiggers right here. Ties at the waist, and it's a pantsuit. Oh, and the bottom has got like, okay, that's kind of cute. Free People. This is We the Free, size 27. Macy's sells Free People? I didn't know that. It has a Macy's sticker on it, but it has a Free People tag, like the original tag. So these retail for $98. These are just camo jeans. They look like that. They're kind of like a wide leg. The back looks like that. More Mason Jewels. This is a size extra large. I don't know how much it retails for. Really pretty yellow tank top. Spaghetti strap. Kind of cropped. This is more Mason Jewels, size 8. Don't know how much it retails for. This says extra, extra large on the tag. but the tag right here says size 8, so we'll go by size 8. This is a really pretty dress. Top looks like that. This really pretty floral print. Something from Calvin Klein. This is size 4, and it's another dress. It's kind of like a boxy top. Goes down like that. More Rachel Roy, size extra small, tank top. This is like glittery. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Is it glittery? Yeah, it is. It is. It's like got like a little shimmer to it, like there's like a gold thread throughout. Cute. More Free People. This says intimately Free People, so this is an intimate thing. I don't know how much it retails for. I could look at the manifest, but I'm not gonna. I'll just so this is what it looks like. This is cute. It's cropped, like layered. DKNY, all up in my eye. Da da da. You know that Will Smith song? Oh, Mama's showing her age. Okay, this is DKNY size 16, and these are, oh no, it's a skirt. It's a skirt. It's what are these called? Where it's like high on one side and like it goes down lower on the other. What the hell are these called? What is this? Calvin Klein, size 10. This is like a faux leather purple pleated skirt. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Alfani tummy control capri pants, size 8, in this bright pink color. Where's that? Oh, just a little silver medallion right there. Like that. I definitely gotta steam some of these things. Is DKNY size large. Oh, these are pants. Pants retails for $79. Just white, like really baggy wide leg capris. Like whoa, holy wide leg. Right, this is Mason Jewels again, size 0, retails for $59.50. Just this pretty floral skirt. This is like shimmery. Yeah, you can definitely tell. A couple more things. These Alfani pants, size 16. Hold on, let me button them. I feel like this brand I might send a thread up. Alfani. It's like a, I feel like that's a thread up brand. But these look like this. Culottes. Oh my gosh, I thought I just buttoned it. Hold please. Yes, with a belt. You come down like this, and these are wide leg again. They need to be steamed. But yeah, I'm thinking this is a thread up send, and so is the other Alfani. The capris. More Mason Jewels, size small. This retails for $49.50. Just a cute little striped skater dress. Really cute. I might actually keep this because this would be super cute to wear with my big belly. Oh, I might keep it. Another Mason Jewels dress, same type of dress, size small, just a different color. This is cute too. I might keep these dresses. I'm gonna try them on though. More Alfani. This is size medium. It retails for $49.50. Black tank top and kind of like folds up in the front like that. Kind of cute. Yeah, I'm thinking thread up. I actually have 3 boxes to send a thread up, or 3 labels, so I'm thinking thread up. This is Free People, Intimately Free People. So this is another like intimate. Size medium large, retails for $38. It's just a black little, this is a medium large. I think it's supposed to be tight though, but it's like a, yeah, it's very stretchy. Just a black tank top, like spaghetti strap tank top. And then the last thing in the box, more Alfani, size 8, retails for $74.50. Oh, these are kind of cute and kind of different. So they're like a bright purple color. And then they go down and look at the bottoms. Oh, that's kind of different. I kind of like those in a weird way. Comfort waist, ankle pants. Fresh Petal is the color, but yeah, that's what the front looks like. In the back, you've got pockets. And then the bottom, like that's kind of fun. So that was everything that I got in my box from Honcho Wholesale. I will have a link down below. Again, if you see anything in this video that you want to purchase, I will have everything listed by the time this video is up. I will also have a link to Honcho Wholesale, and I'm not sure if I have a coupon code. I gotta email them and double check. I'm liking the majority of the things that I got in here. Like I said, some of the Alfani stuff I might send a thread up, although those purple pants, I kind of like them. I mean, the majority of this box was good. I don't know Mason Jewels well enough. I don't know that brand well enough to know if, I mean, $232 for this box. So that comes out to like 9 something per item. So yeah, I don't know that brand well enough. I know Free People, and I don't really know Rachel Roy well enough either. So I'm probably gonna do an updated video like in a couple months, just to let you guys know how things sold. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.